Want to create a footer in Elementor? In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can build a custom footer for your WordPress website without any coding. But before everything starts, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now start by opening your browser and logging into the back end of your WordPress site. From the left-hand menu, click on Templates and head over to Saved Templates. At the top, click on Add New Template. A pop-up will appear. Choose Footer as the template type and give it a name. I just named it Footer. Then click Create Template. Elementor will now open up its editing panel and automatically take you to the template library. You can pick a pre-designed footer here by hovering over any template you like. You'll see two options, Insert and Generate Variations. Pick whichever suits your style, or just close the library to build your own from scratch. Scroll down and choose your layout, either Flexbox or Grid. I prefer Flexbox. Once selected, go to the top left corner, click the Elements icon, and drag the site logo widget to your new section at the bottom of the page. This is where most websites add their branding. Next, drag in the Heading widget and type in a heading. Then go back. Drag the Text Editor widget to add some text. And if needed, drop in a Button widget. These elements can all be styled later, according to your needs. Once your footer layout is ready, click the Publish button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear with Add Condition. Click it. Leave the first option as Include and set the second one to Entire Site. That way, your footer appears across your whole site, just like most pro websites. Click Save and Close, and your footer is live. But remember, this guide focuses only on how to create a footer, not how to design it, because the design depends entirely on your preferences and brand requirements. If you want to see what it looks like, simply hit the Preview icon next to the Publish button, and you'll see your new footer in action, complete with logo, text, heading, and any buttons you added. You can always come back and tweak things later inside the Elementor editor. So, like this, are you ready to design like a pro? Elementor is my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.